My dear viewers, how to convert benzoic acid to aniline? At first, benzoic acid react with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. Product form benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride react with ammonia. Product form benzamide. Okay. Benzamide react with bromine at presence of KOH at the heat. That is the name reaction Hoffman brominate integration. Okay. The product form aniline, that is C6H5NH2. Okay. Next conversion, how to convert benzoic acid to benzene. At first, benzoic acid, that is benzoic acid react with sodium hydroxide. Product form sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate react with soda lime, that is CaOH and NaOH at the presence of heat form benzene. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you, students.